Hey everyone, it's Donna. Stitch Fix time. We've got 3 bundles today. I've got a new stylus. I got this, and then shoes. So I'm curious to see what they've sent to me. Let's get started. It's early in the morning. It's not even 8 o'clock here yet. I want to get this going though because I got some things I want to do. But I asked for warm and cozy, and I asked for all black. I like black. I always look good in it. They didn't send me all black, but they did send me some. And I said, no pink pants. There we go. And like this top. So if you have something like it, this little white jacket, I have one just like that. Different brand, but I have one like that. I think those are camo. And then these little shearling type of a slide flat. But anyway, there's that. And let's look at the price sheet. We're going to do a try on. This is box number 79, guys. Gee. And this is supposed to be comfy stuff. That jacket is North Face. Oh, I like North Face. But let me show you the price list. And hopefully it'll come through to you. Let me block it out. Okay, let's see. I want to make sure you get it. Okay. Bring it in. So freeze frame if you like any of this stuff, and let's go through and see what we got. There's that North Face jacket. I've got a white one. Just the same color. I have to pull that out and look at it. Okay, so here we go. Let's tear this baby open. Love doing that. Love doing that. In fact, if I see something in here I like today, I'm going to wear it maybe today. Well, I don't know. We'll have to see. COVID. Here's the jacket. And that is stinking cute. I like the cut of it. It's kind of cut in. I told her I like form-fitting clothes, and that is pretty. It's a zip jacket. I think there's probably 2 zipped, yeah. That's the way North Face usually does it, little zipped side pockets, which I do like. And then, of course, it's got on the back, it has the North Face emblem, and also on the front. And this would be a very versatile little jacket. I like it. Hope it fits me. Then she sent me these, and these are brown. I don't know about brown. But you never know until you try it on. Now, these have the cuff, and I asked specifically, no cuffs on the bottom of any sweats, please. But she sent these, and they... I need to tell you how much that jacket was. That North Face jacket is called the Osito, O-S-I-T-O, full zip jacket, off-white, $99. And this pair of pants, these sweats, are by Sanctuary. They're a size small, and so that jacket was a small too. Sanctuary, the Peace Jugger. Black, it says, but they've got brown in it. $89. Let me show you the color. So you can see there's a lot of black in it, but there's a lot of brown. What I do like about this, it looks like it has are those fake pockets? Yes, those are faux pockets, and there is no pockets, so it's just a faux little pocket in the back. Okay. The front has 2 slip pockets and a drawstring, and the little cuff on the bottom. That might be cute with those slides. I think that's what she's trying to tell me. Okay, so let's go to the next bundle. I'm going to do the shoes last. There we go. Let's see. Here's the emblem. Let's tear this baby open. I have 2 bundles. Now this is these are soft. This is really soft, whatever it is, but this is soft too. This is long sleeve. This is by Love Elite. This is the Maya, M-I-A, or Mia, yeah. Back detail pullover, black, small, $46. I like the detailing on the back. That's very cute. And that would be cute with those jogger pants. And it is a full length, long sleeve, slight cuff, knit fabric. Not thick, kind of a thinner, but not see-through. So that's a good little thing. And it would be cute under that jacket. And then we come to this, and this is stinking soft. This is by Nine Britain. Nope, Nine Britain. This is called the Delilah Brush Knit Top, mustard color, size small, $44. Okay, very, 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 very soft. My gosh. I can't tell you how soft this thing is. Probably one of the softest tops I've ever touched. It's just a soft fleece, I guess. Let me show you. And it's got several colors in it. Just your basic top. Would be cute over a pair of black leggings or anything. And it is just a crew neck. Nothing elaborate. Okay, so now the shoes. And then the Tryon. That's the hard part. These are Vince Camuto footwear. What's the name of this baby? The Canadial, Kanadial, slide flat in taupe, size 8, $79. And I thought these were interesting. I've never had anything like this. They have a shearling fabric here, and they're suede. So let's say you go outside and you have socks on, maybe some little footy, little cool socks, or it could be like a slipper flat, but it's dressy enough. I think you could go to the grocery store in this, or go to a coffee shop in it. Very cute. Not a light shoe. It's got some weight to it, but and just a slight little heel to it. I'm not into brown. But anyway, let's try it on. Hang on, and while I'm doing this, please subscribe. There's a little button down below. Please hit it, and I will be right back. Okay. Snap, I'm back. Okay. The shoes I have on, these shearling shoes by Vince Camuto, they slide. They're heavy and they slide on my feet. And I've slid out of them a couple of times. I guess that's what they call them, a slide. But I want to show you what I have here. I have this little jacket that it's by a company called Mountain Hardware. It's a really good brand. And it's a white. This is an off-white jacket, but I mean, how many jackets in white do I need? I wanted to show you the jacket first and the pants. You can see the cuff, and here's the shoe. I left it barefoot, and then I put a pair of UGG little thick little socks on. Got my Uggs on, and here's the jacket. Let me flip so you can see it. There is no hood on this. My little jacket has a hood, which I do like hoods, because if it starts to rain or snow, you can throw it on your head. It's a cute jacket. It does have an inside pocket on both sides. So if you're hunting for a jacket like this, it's very soft, but I don't know if I need it. And then we come to the black top, and I like this top. I'm going to keep this top, I'm pretty sure. I'll show you the back of it. The pants are this drawstring, and they're cute. I'm not sure about these. So hang on, I've got, I probably will keep, I like the top, it's comfortable. So I'll probably keep the top to wear with jeans and maybe these pants. Hang on, I'll be right back. Okay. Boom, the magic of Hollywood. Okay, here we go. The top. It's okay. I like it, and my gosh, this little top is so stinking soft. But am I in love with it? Would this be a piece that I go and just grab because, you know, we have those things in our closets that we love, and then we have these pieces that we just let sit. And I have a feeling this would be something I just let sit. So it was a fun box. I'm not gonna lie. This stylist, she knows what she's doing. She's just gotta figure me out. I kind of like the pants and the black top. Can anybody give me an idea? I guess I could wear these. I'm gonna try these on with some little tennis shoes. Hang on, I'm gonna do something. I'll be right back. I'm gonna try something. Okay, I figured it out. I'm keeping the top and these pants. These pants are thick and they're comfortable. And what I did was this. If I can back it up, I'll show it to you. I took them and put them with a boot like that. These are sorrels. And if I can get back, let me back up so you can see it. But I just feel like it's kind of a cool outfit. I put them with some Ugg socks. And it's comfortable, it's pretty, and I think this is a keeper. So new stylist is coming in there. I've got me a good one. Anyway, you guys take care, and please subscribe. And I got to show you what I bought. Hang on. Now watch this. This hooks on like this, and this is all collapsible. The handle goes down, and it plugs into a car. I can plug it into my car. I plan to go around because COVID has been taking up my life. I can't get out and do things, and I like to go out and have some of my tea, and I am, you know, by myself during the day. And I thought, what I'm going to do is I'm going to travel around some local areas, and I'm going to turn on my little kettle, boil some water, do it on video, and then go for a walk in the area that I'm at. Show you some history. So I'm a big history buff. So this is coming with me, and I've got a little table thing I'm going to set it on. I've really thought this baby out. So because I like going out, but I don't want to go into a tea shop right now. I just feel I'm trying to isolate as much as I can. Gosh, I keep hearing about people getting COVID that I know. So and they're not doing well. So I thought, little tea kettle. My dad, I have to tell you, always had fun. He was the funnest person I knew, and he traveled all over the world, and then some, but always had a very creative mind. So I thought, what would my dad do? And I thought my dad would find some fun, even if he's by himself. And I thought, okay, I'll buy this little tea kettle. So you guys hang in there, and please subscribe. And let's see if I get burned on the kettle or whatever. But it'll be fun just to go and try it out. So I'll talk to you guys later. Take care, and please subscribe. Bye-bye.